Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks right here on Hantec Markets. And if you want to buy stocks, the first thing that you need to do right here is we go here to search symbol. And then right here you see a lot of options, but if you go down, you see right here CFD stocks. And now if you click right here on CFD stocks, we can choose between other countries right here. But I think, in my opinion, US is the best to trade stocks on. So right now you will find right here a lot of stocks that we can trade. Now let's search for a stock that we want to buy. Now let's do, for example, it doesn't matter to be honest, but let's check right here Xpeng. Therefrom now you see right here the chart, and keep in mind the market is closed right now, so that is why the chart is not loading right here, or not growing, or decreasing or increasing. But if you want to buy a stock right now, we go here to new order, select right here the volume, so let's do 1 share. Select right here if you want to put a stop loss or a take profit on it, and then simply click right here on buy market. Then you see right here that the market is closed, so at Monday he will open again. And then you can buy immediately right here a share of Xpeng. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on Hantec Markets. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.